Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Blue email packages is not available on Ubuntu-based repository, so you can install it by downloading the package from the official website. When you download it, install Blue email by using the following command. You can search on the system search bar by typing Blue Mail or just by icon. That's it. If you have any question, leave them in comments.